Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something incredibly exciting to discuss, the 1965 Washington $quarter coin. This unassuming coin holds a wealth of history and value, and we're going to dive deep into its fascinating journey. So, if you're a coin enthusiast or just curious about the world of numismatics, you're in for a treat. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. The 1965 Washington $quarter is a remarkable coin with a rich history. Unlike earlier silver quarters, this particular coin marked a significant transition in the United States coinage. Let's talk about its background and significance. In 1965, the US Mint made a monumental decision to shift from silver-based coins to copper-nickel-clad coins due to the rising silver prices. As a result, the 1965 Washington $quarter was born. This coin featured a profile of George Washington on the obverse and an eagle on the reverse, just like its silver predecessors. To truly appreciate the value of the 1965 Washington $quarter, we need to understand the historical context of the mid-1960s. This period was marked by significant social and political changes, including the Civil Rights Movement and the Vietnam War. These historical events undoubtedly influenced the production and circulation of coins during that time. The 1965 Washington $quarter is a tangible piece of history, representing an era of change and transformation in the United States. Its design and composition reflect the economic and societal shifts of the time. Now, let's address the big question. What is the value of the 1965 Washington $quarter today? To determine its value, several factors come into play, such as its condition, rarity, and collector demand. If you happen to have a 1965 Washington $quarter in mint condition, its value can be significantly higher than a circulated one. Additionally, coins with mint errors or unique features can fetch a premium price among collectors. It's always a good idea to consult with coin experts or use reputable coin valuation resources to get an accurate assessment of your coin's value. As we wrap up our exploration of the 1965 Washington $quarter, I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for this small yet historically significant coin. Whether you're a collector, investor, or just someone intrigued by the world of coins, remember that each coin tells a story and carries a piece of history with it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts. And if you have any rare coins or interesting stories to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of numismatics. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy collecting.